Welcome to our channel Manal Zoya Fun Club. Friends, today we will learn some fruits names and their spellings. Let's go! But before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe. It's an apple. A-P-P-L-E. Apple. It's a mango. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. Pineapple. P-I-N-E-A-P-P-L-E. Pineapple. Strawberry. S-T-R-A-W-B-E-R-R-Y. Strawberry. It's an orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. Grape. G-R-A-P-E-S. Grape. Watermelon. W-A-T-E-R-M-E-L-O-N. Watermelon. Peach. P-E-A-C-H. Peach. Kiwi. K-I-W-I. Kiwi. Tangerine. T-A-N-G-E-R-I-N-E. Tangerine. Cherry. C-H-E-R-R-Y. Cherry. Pear. P-E-A-R. Pear. Melon. M-E-L-O-N. Melon. Raspberry. R-A-S-B-B-E-R-R-Y. Raspberry. Guava. G-U-A-V-A. Guava. Banana. B-A-N-A-N-A. Banana. Papaya. P-A-P-A-Y-A. Papaya. Lychee. L-Y-C-H-E-E. Lychee. Friends, I hope you have learned a lot in this video. So please subscribe our channel.